Hey friends, I'm back with another unboxing from Your Creative Studios. Now, several months ago, Amanda from the company reached out to me to send me one of their monthly subscription boxes, and I said yes, of course, who would say no to that? And so she reached out to me again asking if she could send me a box. Now, I didn't cheat. She told me what month it was for. I believe it was from October. I didn't go looking to see what the theme was. I wanted to be completely surprised, but the box here says bake on the top of it. As I open this up, I want to apologize. I'm having a few focusing issues with my camera for some reason for this video, but it's not like I can redo an unboxing, so you'll just have to put up with them. I completely apologize for that. So here I'm rifling through this box and realizing the bake theme kind of means essentially what it said, bake. There's a lot of like baked items and that kind of cooking theme in here, and I will be completely honest, this box isn't totally up my alley like the last one. The last theme I received was butterflies, and I fell in love with all of the ephemera I received. However, this one is going to be a little bit more challenging for me to use in my artwork. The first box I opened was a bunch of stickers of baked goods. This one that I'm opening up is a little notebook tablet. And I was trying to figure out, I think every image in here is different. I don't believe there are any duplicates. Now this one I love. I think I can use a lot of these little images in my art journaling. It's going to be a lot of fun to use. However, those baked good stickers, I'm not sure how I'm going to use those. I think I might use them as little tuck-ins into some of my giveaways. So even though I don't 100% love the theme of this box, I do love Your Creative Studios like concept. They have a ton of different themes. It's a monthly subscription that you can get to your doorstep monthly. However, they sell the leftovers on their website, and I will link that below. There are some gorgeous boxes that are like wildflowers, and I think there's one that's like blue flowers. I was looking through them. They are so tempting to purchase because they are just full of unique ephemera. That was just a stamp I opened, and here I'm opening another stamp. You can see the variety that comes in these boxes, so you could pick the theme that works better for your artwork. I wouldn't have necessarily, like I said, picked this theme, but I think it's going to be fun to figure out how to use the items. That slice of cake, I thought it would be fun to take the cherry off, like stamp it and then cut it out and use that as kind of a label. The cake part I think would be a really cool vintage looking label without the cherry and whipped cream. I just opened some washi, and now I'm opening another box. This one has a whole bunch of like vintage food theme, vellum sheets, and paper sheets. If you're following me, you probably already know my art style isn't really similar to this box. I don't really journal with a lot of food themes or advertising, but there are several images in here that I think I'm going to be able to throw into my art journaling. You can see that cute little girl that I just covered up. I think she's going to be fun to add in somewhere. Like I said, I'm going to figure out how to use that pie stamp. This is the back of the box showing what it contains. It's a whole variety of images. So if you choose one of their monthly boxes that's a different theme, you can see that you'll be getting like stamps and stickers and little vellum sheets. These are rub-ons, and there are some really pretty images in this one that I think I can totally use in my art journaling. There's some florals and some other like vintage advertising rub-ons that'll be fun to use. The back of the package comes with instructions and even the little tool to help rub them on. Next, I'm opening a whole sheet of stickers here. They look like rolling pins, and this is a piece of tissue paper. Next is a whole nother sheet of stamps. They're all clear stamps that will stick onto blocks. It's a big variety of different like cooking themes. Next, I am opening up a package of papers. So the back of this says there's sticker paper, vellum paper, art paper. So it's the same images on a whole bunch of different types of paper. really love those little red daisies in this paper. And next I'm going to open up probably my favorite item that came into this package. It's a whole bunch of vintage little bits and bobs. I don't know what to call them. There's some tags, there's some florals. It's more of a variety that doesn't include as much like food and baked items, and I think these are perfect for my style of journaling. I love the little squares with the flowers, the circles with the vintage advertising on them. The colors are so vintage and fun, and I think these are going to be the ticket there. Another kind of ticket shaped items. There's a really pretty floral coming up that had me swooning, and some handwriting. I want to encourage you to hop over to the website and look at these monthly subscription boxes. Even if you don't subscribe, you can pick and choose which ones you would like to have come to your doorstep with specific themes. You can see the huge variety of items that come inside, from stamps to stickers to vellum to washi, and a whole lot of surprises. It's a really fun variety of ephemera. Thank you so much, Amanda, for sending this to me. Hop over to the website and check them out.